Welcome! In this video, you will learn how to review peer submissions for a Peerceptive assignment. First, access your assignment by either logging into the Peerceptive website or clicking the assignment link in your course website. In the top right corner of the assignment dashboard, you can see that the assignment is in the review phase. The next deadline date tells you when the review phase will end. To get started reviewing, click either button that says Start Review 1. The document or file will appear in the viewing area. If you are reviewing a link, you may need to click a button to open the link in a new tab. If the submission does not load, shows an error message, contains plagiarized or inappropriate material, or is otherwise unable to be reviewed, you should click the flag icon to alert your instructor. After reporting the submission, it will be removed from your required reviews, and you can continue reviewing other submissions until your report is approved or rejected by the instructor. To start reviewing, first read the comment prompt, then carefully read or look over the student's submission. You'll need to read all parts of the question and closely examine your peer's work. The comments you write will be read by the student whose work you are reviewing, and may be read by your instructor. So you'll want to be honest, specific in your suggestions, and have a kind or friendly tone. If your assignment has a feedback phase, your review comments will be rated for helpfulness by the student you are reviewing. To increase your helpfulness, try to imagine how your instructor might respond to your peer, with both positive encouragement and helpful criticism. Your goal is to help your peers improve their work. When your comment is complete, click Next to move to the next prompt. This is an example of a rating prompt, in which you will need to rate an aspect of your peer's work. Again, read the question carefully, examine your peer's submission, and then select the rating level that you believe best describes that aspect of the work. Remember, it's better to rate someone fairly and accurately than to just give everyone high scores or the same scores. You'll be graded on your reviewing accuracy, and you will get a lower grade if your scores are inaccurate. Continue this process of commenting and rating until you reach the final prompt. Press Finish to save your review. You can now choose to edit your review, start another review, or log out and come back later to finish reviewing. The review card will show you how many more reviews you need to complete before the review deadline. Thank you for watching this video. Please visit our knowledge base for more information or contact support@peerceptive.com with specific questions and assistance.